thank you, guys. So the Super Wolf speaking here, guys, on behalf of 4X Global Investment. So, guys, I'm just here to reflect on a few key aspects around support and resistance. Support and resistance is what we are going to refer to as the floor in the ceiling. Floor in the ceiling, which it basically is where we're expecting that the market should make a rejection, or rather a reversal. Should make a reversal. So every time the market arrives at that level, it's either making a reversal or a breakout and retest, and then move to the in a continuation to the upside or the downside. So, guys, we were talking about something like this. Okay, let me just use this one. It's a bit more professional. Okay, this is the ceiling, which is what we refer to as the resistance, and then this is the support or the floor. So what we are referring to here is that every time it moves from this level, okay, let's change and take something else. Every time it moves from this level, so it will actually make something like this. When I was saying breakout, so breakout. So here it was actually what we're referring to. It was a ceiling. Now it has turned into a floor by retesting here, and then move to the upside. By moving to the upside, we're expecting a reversal here. So usually that kind, we will see it in this context, and then we would know that we are now expecting a drop, and then we would also expect that it makes something like this, and then before shooting to the upside. And then because it has shot and broke that level, we're expecting that it should come back. So when it comes back as well, so when it comes back as well, guys, it then comes back by retracing, regaining momentum before it actually shoots again to the upside. Last week we spoke about something like this. We'll have another session one day. I'll have another video for you guys. Just tell me in the comment box if I should make a video on that. So something like this. Then we're waiting for that breakout that shows that it is making another impulse. So, guys, this is what we're talking about when we're talking about this structure. So when it is within this structure, we would then say that this chart is actually in a range zone. So it is ranging. It is neither an uptrend nor is it a downtrend. It will only become an uptrend or a downtrend when it breaks that level and actually start going to the upside or the downside. So, guys, it's that simple. I mean, this all that is there about support and resistance. So, guys, I'm gonna take it to a real chart, so that we can then be able to see some of these things that I'm talking about and see them on a real chart. So let's shift it and go to the real chart and then see the things that we're talking about. So, guys, there is something like this that we're talking about in the Eurozone USD chart. So, guys, let's get it. Let's see if we can be able to identify these structures. So, as you see here, we're on a 1 hour time frame, and if you look here, guys, if you look here all the way from there, you would see that there is a structure here. There is a structure here, guys. We're expecting this should be the floor. Yes, then there it's not going to be as perfect as when I was drawing that. you should be able to identify such things. So you always wait for a rejection to be able to confirm that it is going to actually respect that level. So guys, as you will see, this is a level. I'm trying to give you what I was referring to when I was saying it is in a range. It is ranging, is not uptrending, is not downtrending. So as well as here, you would see that there is a structure. You would see that there is a structure. Every time they reach this level, they always struggle to actually break through that structure. So this is something that we're talking about. Even here, you would also notice that here as well, there is a structure. There is a structure here. Because if you look at it here, you would realize that here there was an impulse to the upside. It failed to break. Now it went a bit down, tried to gain momentum, and then broke through. And then from there, it was trying to regain the strength to actually go to the upside again, come to the downside, regain some. It was trying to regain the strength to actually go to the upside again, come to the downside, regain some momentum, make an impulse again, correct, gain some momentum, break through. And then from there, then it has created a new range that it has been playing around here. So as you would see, you would realize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So every time this chart actually reached this level, it has always failed to break through this level. As well as this level here, it has always failed to break through this level. When it did, it actually respected the level to make an impulse and then correct, to recognize that this is a level of significance before it can actually go again to the upside. So guys, this is what we're talking about. This is all that is there about support and resistance. Obviously, it's not the only structure that you are then going to implement when you are using price action to be able to come to the realization of where do you make entries and so forth and so forth. You'll still have to bring in trends and so forth. So guys, just comment in the box there and tell me if I should be able to come and do the trend lines, so that perhaps maybe they can help you to a certain extent. And also be able to alert me what kind of content you want to see pertaining this forex market. So like this is, and subscribe there guys, so that I can know that you actually appreciate what we're doing here, and then I can continue to create more content for you guys to be able to learn this forex market.